Okay, can you see the program? Hello?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, now see. Select the whole file. Okay. From here. Select the whole file. Control C. Open Notepad. Okay.
Okay.
Now Control V. The whole program is saved. Control S. You can say array 4. Close file. You can send. Okay. You can send anywhere.
Teacher, wait.
Yeah.
You did the arrow sign wrong.
Yeah, at 19 there is a problem. Yes, I'm running it, but it says syntax error, unrecognized token.
The both signs should be combined together, not separated.
Yeah, because it must have an equal sign. If I'm giving equal, it does not accept. Even double equal is not accepting. It says there is error. Here is giving error, no? Syntax error. And if I say less than and this, sorry, even it shows the syntax error. It cannot move onward. I'm sending you. Can you correct that?
Okay.
You understand how to make a file? Yes. Have you understood how to make a file? I have sent you file. Did you receive?
Can you send the file with the pseudo-Donage version?
What did you say? Can you write on chat? Can you write on chat? Whatever.
I'm writing.
No. I have sent you the same file from. You can see here. I went here. I select the whole file. Okay. Copy it and then paste here. But problem is that program is halting here, stopping here. But it is not accepting. Give an arrow. Try to change arrow, then it will run. There is a syntax problem. You got it?
You can't do the sign properly. That's why it is warning.
It is giving a syntax error. Can you see that? If I'm running it, it is giving a syntax on line number 19. It means it is not accepting this arrow. giving here problem. I could not use, if I use equal sign, wait, it gives again error. Here I have to use either equal sign or either arrow sign. As I told you, arrow less than this one. It is accepting here, okay? I have changed this one because I have used my own arrow. It is accepted here. It accepted here. It accepted 13, line number 13. It is not accepting line number 19. How to use this arrow? That is problem. Can I copy?
Wait.
Yeah, let's see.
I will share my screen.
Okay, wait a second. I give you right. Yes, you can share. So you copied mine code, which I have sent you.
No,
Okay, you are doing on.
and this is my. This
Okay.
is mine. So
Okay.
you have to press
Less than sign.
the left. You have to press this, then the little line sign.
I'm doing that. Oh, it is. Wait a second. I'm doing that, but it is not. So it on your side, it is making an arrow, but my side is not making an arrow kind of that. Okay, can you save your program somewhere and then copy my program?
Hmm?
Can you save your program elsewhere? Can you copy my program here?
Like no, I think no.
No, open my file. Open my file. Copy it. Control A. Press Control A.
Okay, wait.
Create a new file. Now run it. Click on run. So where is line 17? Change the arrow line 17. Click on run. Click on run. No, first click on run. What it says? Again syntax error.
Yes, but I'm fixing it.
No, it should show line by line. No, it is still creating a problem.
You don't have to write the numbers.
Hmm?
You don't have to write the numbers.
Ah,
It
yeah,
is
yeah. Delete this one. Delete these numbers. Because no. How? Delete one by one. It is creating problem. Okay. No, it should be indent. It should be indent. Okay, yeah. Now where has error? Line 17.
We don't have to
Yeah,
write
yeah,
the-
yeah, okay. Again 17. 43 is not found. 43, where is 43? The number 43 not found in this array. Oh, sorry. Syntax error. Unrecognized token. It is not accepting arrow.
It's X. I think there's a problem with your program.
No, it's showing only syntax error. It says expected then what? First see the line number 17.
17.
Yeah. It is not accepting this arrow. Last time it was running. Yeah. Now it is working.
Yes. Oh, it is working.
Working?
Yes.
Good. Now send me this file. Copy, select the whole code.
Yes. Right.
Select the whole
I
code.
am.
Yeah, select the
I'm
whole.
gonna.
Can you select?
I'm gonna send it to you.
Yeah. Control C. Press Control C.
I press it.
Go to Notepad. Open Notepad. No. Open Notepad. Yeah. Paste
Okay.
here.
Paste here.
Yeah.
Should I delete this?
No, no. Did you
Okay.
paste? Did you paste or not?
Not yet.
Okay. Select it. Select. Click on file. Go to file. And new tab. Now paste here. Now save it.
Okay.
Now save it. Save somewhere. Array. Give the name of array. What is the date? Array 04. Array 04. Okay. Now save. Now go to WhatsApp.
Okay.
Search from the document. Do you remember?
Yes. Wait.
Array 04.
Hmm.
Yeah. This. Now you understand how to create a file,
Yes.
but you don't know how to send from chat.
Yeah. I know how to send it.
From the chat. No. Zoom chat.
Ah, mean
Zoom
this.
chat.
Wait.
Because
Wait.
I
I will
was
try.
try to understand also that. Okay. So
Wait.
okay.
Wait a
Enough.
minute.
Yeah.
Sorry, my mom called.
So enough for today.
Okay. Thank you for having.
No issue.
Allah Hafiz.
See you on.
See you. Allah Hafiz.
Yeah, Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.